in today's video, we're going to start off the giveaway for the past 2 weeks of me uploading videos. And now thinking about it, from time to time, I'm just going to come back to my older videos and start to just choose one randomly to actually do a giveaway there as well. So if you guys have not went to go check out my other videos and put in your Bitcoin address down in the comment section, make sure you do that right away so you can get started earning some passive income from me from these weekend giveaways. So let's get started with the first video, which is going to be this one right here, the short link URL video 2 weeks ago. So thank you guys so much for actually watching this video, and if you haven't, make sure to go over there, watch all of these videos from this point forward so you can learn different ways to make money online. So let's copy the URL of this one really quick. So copy link address, let's come over here to the YouTube comment picker right here, let's paste in that YouTube URL address, let's come down here and get YouTube comments, and now let's click on the start button. So whoever's gonna win this is gonna get a free $5 from me, and there is the winner right there, guys. So now let's come down here and choose another one because I do not see a Bitcoin address there. It says how we add our short link in this site. Go. So now let's choose another winner because that one did not have its Bitcoin address down below and it won again. So let's keep choosing to see who is going to win this Bitcoin from me. So we have another person that has a URL link right there. Go. So now we're going to choose a winner to see who's going to actually win this free crypto from me. And there you have it. Awesome video, Edward. So now I'm going to send over some free crypto to you. Thank you for being a part of this YouTube community. Now let's come over here to FaucetPay and let me show you how I actually do this, guys. So you can see I only have $40 inside of my Bitcoin wallet on FaucetPay. So let's go to linked addresses really quick to link in that person's address right there. So we're going to copy and paste her Bitcoin address. We're going to come over here and put in the first letter. Let's do the first letter. So let's do P and G. Let's do that. So we're going to type in P and G right there. So we're going to put in Bitcoin and it should say woohoo, your address has been linked successfully. Let's come over here to withdraw now. Let's come down here and then let's look for that person's name. So P and G is right there. Now we're going to do the Bitcoin giveaway. Let's come over here to this. Now let's type in 5 USD to BTC. Now it's going to give us a number right there. So all we're going to do is just copy this number right here and then put that inside of FaucetPay, and then you should be receiving your crypto pretty soon. So let's put in that number and place order right here, place withdraw, and boom. So now it has successfully recorded your withdrawal request and should be processed within the next 12 hours or less. So now let me do this at a faster pace so you guys can not get bored of this video, but see if you actually want some free crypto. Now, if you have won some crypto, make sure to leave a comment down below, guys. This is something from me to you so you guys can start to get some passive income, and on top of that, so you guys can actually get a chance to actually build a business from me, guys. So now let's get started with the rest of this giveaway. So there we go, the crypto in Bitcoin. You have won some free crypto from me. So let's come over here. It says thank you very much, man, you are an amazing YouTuber. So express crypto winky face. So let's send over that Bitcoin to you really quick. So linked addresses, again the same process. I just want to make this go quicker, so let's do crypto M, I believe. So CM, we're gonna link that address really quick, then we're gonna come down here to withdraw. Now we're gonna come over here, put in that WC or CM, I mean, we're gonna do the same number. So Control V, or we have to come over here real quick. So copy this, come over here to FaucetPay. Now we're gonna type in that number right there. Now we should get a fee and it should receive 0.00266. So we're gonna place a withdrawal right there, and let's move on to the next video. And now for the last video, guys, we're gonna copy and paste it really quick. Go to YouTube comments, click on start, and let's see who wins. I've been go. There we go. So love love that you are doing this series. So let's copy that, and I really appreciate you. So now let's come over here to FaucetPay, link address really quick to see if they're already inside of my system. Click on paste. Let's go to Max. Let's type in Max for this one, link. So we should see if it's already pasted. Nope. So we're gonna come over here to withdraw. Let's go to BTC. Let's come down here. Let's go over here to Max. Let's click on the amount. I might not have enough, so I'm going to do it after this video. I've just seen it right now, so I doubt I'm going to have enough. So I'm just going to send over some more crypto in a bit. So let's see what happens. And you don't have sufficient funds to withdraw. Yeah, so I'm going to send over some Bitcoin over to this wallet some more, and then I'm going to give you the cryptocurrency. Thank you for being a part of this YouTube community. So now let's come over here real quick and say we have finished this weekend giveaway. Thank you guys all so much for actually helping me out and being a good community to me, guys. I really appreciate it.